Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting your API key and placing it where code can read it securely. This prevents accidental leaks. Next, organize reference images and craft concise style prompts so results are predictable. Choose your model and output size now, because quality and cost scale together. Smaller sizes save credits. Once done, initialize a minimal client in your language of choice and run a permissions check. This confirms your setup before you spend time on prompt iterations. You craft a layered prompt that names subject, style, lighting, and any negatives to avoid. This guides the generator. Then run fast, low-resolution tests so you can iterate quickly without wasting credits. Make small changes, swap one adjective or alter camera angle, and compare outputs. This isolates impactful words. Use seed control and batches to generate multiple variants in one call. That lets you pick the best result and understand how randomness affects consistency across images. You finalize by choosing the strongest render, then upscale or do targeted retouching to polish details. Make sure to save the exact prompt in seed so you can reproduce or adjust later. Versioning assets prevents lost work. If results are off, first simplify the prompt and remove ambiguous adjectives, then test model limits and consult API error output for rate or parameter issues. Finally, automate your best prompt pattern so future image generation stays fast and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.